Near Glen Haven has received anywhere from a ½ inch to 2 inches of rain in just under an hour, because you can see the big rain has moved on, but that really dropped a lot of moisture in a very short period of time, hence the flash flooding. So we'll see that in place. There is flash flooding occurring in that area right now, but up near Red Feather Lakes and into the north, you can see pockets of really intense heavy rainfall, and we're going to continue to see those pockets of heavy rain well through the night. Out just east of Denver, or out east of DIA, we have a cell of some very heavy rainfall as well, and you see that near Edwards as well. And I want to zoom out wider so you can see across the state down near Telluride, a ton of lightning and a lot of rainfall scattered all the way up into parts of Rio Blanco County near Grand Junction as well. Our central mountains are seeing a ton of moisture, and we will continue to have flooding concerns over the next several hours because we do have flash flood watches in place for our burn scar areas. And then elsewhere we have flood watches in place where the threat of flash flooding is much less, but flooding could still occur. So I know that's a little bit tricky. You might be thinking, what's the difference? Flash flooding is when you see all of that, precipitation flowing through burn scar areas and kind of kicking up some mudslide situation. Other areas that might just be localized street flooding or rivers getting closer to their bank full stage. Let's take a look at our future cast and our burn scar areas that we're concerned about. It's the Cameron Peak, Calwood, Williams Fork, and East Troublesome fire areas that we're concerned about. So thankfully what happened right now hasn't been near that Cameron Peak. It's a little bit more to the north of that, but again, still some areas that we will be concerned about throughout the rest of the night. So our future cast for tonight, again, still has those storms firing up even well past about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Then things should kick out of here after about midnight. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up to a little bit of cloud cover, a little bit of sunshine, and we will see another wave of some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. This time, though, they're a bit more down to the south and then out toward the east, but there is a chance still of maybe a few late night thunderstorms even here across the Front Range. Now, tomorrow there will be a chance of some severe weather in the northeastern part of the state. Hail and wind would be your biggest threats, but for the most part, our storms tomorrow shouldn't be turning severe too much. Temperatures right now, it's 88 in Denver, 94 in Greeley. Still a lot of triple digits on our far eastern plains, 60s to the 80s. So a big temperature difference there where we have rain versus where we don't. 80s and 90s off to the west. 59 from our weather watcher Mike Quaintons just northwest of Bailey. He said he had a thunderstorm move through and he saw about 0.6 of an inch of rain from one storm. So again, these are super soakers that are moving through. Temperatures tomorrow, 91 in Denver, 95 in Greeley, 90s and triple digits out east, 70s, lows, 80s in the mountains. We hit 96 today in Denver. Tomorrow we get a little bit of a breakdown to 91, but we're quickly back up to 97. Monday, 101. That would actually be the fourth triple digit that we could have so far this summer. We certainly have been well above normal in terms of our triple digit days, and then we're in the upper 90s throughout next week as well. Potential for a first alert weather day on Monday, depending on whether or not we get a heat advisory.
All right, we'll stay tuned. Thanks, Lauren.
The Rockies earned another series